Today I'm going to be going over a hard Leetcode question in the linked list section that I solved by myself around half a year ago. So let's see if I can redo it. This one is called Design a Skip List, and it basically asks you to design a skip list without using any built-in libraries, which is a data structure that takes log n time to add, erase, and search. And there's a lot of descriptions here that I'm not going to read. But essentially, let's just look at the examples, and it's pretty simple of what to do. So here, we want to initialize the object of the skip list, which is going to be, as you can see, anything that is probably a linked list. Let's look at the return type. So we're going to return a Boolean and a num. So why don't we just make this an array instead, right? The standard array. And now to search, then return if it's inside of the skip list. So this looks like an integer. So why don't we just say if target, we just say return target in self.current, because we're going to add this whatever number that they give us and tell us to add inside of our array. And then remove the value from the skip list and returns true. So if num does not exist in the skip list, do nothing and return false. There exists multiple num values, removing any one of them is fine. So, okay, so if num is in self.current, then remove num, right? Just removes the very first one from the left to the right. You have this, it'll remove this 3 because it's the first one to cease from the left to the right. And then return true, otherwise return false. So, okay. And as you can see, that actually passes all the test cases. So this is actually a really simple question. I'm not sure why it's rated as hard, but just you can see it's really not that hard. And if you just follow the directions, you'll get an accepted solution at the very least. Although in a real interview, they might ask you to do more, which I'm not really going to show you here. But yeah, so pretty short video. Hopefully this was helpful. And the main goal of this channel is intuitive, which I'm pretty sure this is for someone who has some experience in coding. So please stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoyed this video.